Welcome into the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make crab cakes. My ingredients here consist of blue crab, eggs, parsley, green onions, Ritz crackers, Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, black pepper and some salt, W sauce, Old Bay seasoning, and some lemon juice. All right, for my ingredients here, you see me mixing up my eggs, mayo, green onions, and my parsley. I have some Dijon mustard here, a touch of the W sauce, and I also have my Old Bay seasoning and a scant touch of salt. And I added in a little garlic powder there and a touch of lemon juice. I'm not using the whole thing right now. I'm going to save a little bit for later in the recipe. And here's my mixture. I'm just mixing, and I'm going to go ahead now and add in my crab. But before I add in my crab, this is what I'm doing with the remainder of my lemon juice to try and minimalize that fishy taste. I just really can't stand the fishiness, but the lemon juice will help to minimize that. And that's what I'm doing here, soaking it, let it sit for a few minutes, and then I will mix it in with my mixture. Okay, it has sat for a few minutes, and I'm now going to go ahead and add it into the mixture. And off to the side there, you can see I have my crackers that I've crumbled up. I'm going to add some to the mixture to try and give it a more stable form. I don't want it to be so runny. And also, to help it to not be so runny, I'm also going to add in a little bit of flour. At the last minute, I decided to add in some liquid smoke, so that's what you see me doing here, a drop or two. It doesn't take much, but liquid smoke is really good. I use it a lot in my barbecue recipes also. Here you see me with the flour that I was mentioning, just to not have it so wet. And for my coating that I'm going to be using, I've mixed up some cornmeal along with flour. So I'm going to roll out my patties, and you can make yours as big or as small as you want. I have about a medium size here, so I roll it in my flour cornmeal mixture, and then I'm also dumping it to coat it a bit in the remainder of my cracker crumbs. All right, we're going to go ahead and finish rolling these out, and then we'll be ready to go ahead and pan them up. Now here I'm pressing them, as you can tell, but I'm not pressing them really hard. I'm just giving them a form, shaping them so that they can have a form to them, but I don't want to pack it. I want to give it some room so when it cooks, it can cook evenly. All right, here are my potatoes that I did up. A few herbs and seasonings here I'm blending in, and some truffle oil. And then I'll just throw these in the oven to roast. I also have some coleslaw that goes well with this also. I have a video on that if you want to check it out. Here you see me putting them in the pan. And I cooked these approximately 15 minutes, about 7 minutes on each side. I only wanted to flip them once, so that's what I was aiming for. And I think they did pretty well. All right, here they go, the end result. And I'll cut one open so you can see what they look like on the inside. They taste really good, guys. There you have it. I want to thank you for stopping by the channel today and checking out this video. And Yah willing, I will see you guys next time. Shalom.